Hi, my name is Anna Dolan, and today I will be presenting a social skills strategy called FAST. I found this strategy in the book titled Strategies for Teaching Students with Learning and Behavior Problems by Vaughan and Boss. So what is FAST? FAST is a strategy that is part of an interpersonal problem-solving program designed for second to fourth grade students that have learning disabilities and who also struggle with social skills. In order to set up the strategy, you must ask each student to rate all same-sex peers on the extent of whether or not they'd like to be friends. Those who receive few votes for friendship are identified as not well accepted, and those with many votes for friendship are identified as well accepted. Students identified as not well accepted are then paired with a well accepted student of the same sex. These pairs are then removed from class 2 to 3 times a week for 30 minutes and are taught problem-solving skills. During these sessions, they are taught the FAST strategy. The FAST strategy is an acronym. F is freeze and think. What is the problem we're faced with? A, alternatives. What are my possible solutions? S, solution evaluation. This is where you choose the best solution to the problem, considering what's safe and what's fair. T is for try it, slowly and carefully, and then reflect. Does it work? After learning the strategy, classmates will then record problems they've been experiencing at school and at home and put them in the problem-solving box in their classroom. The trainers refer to these lists when learning strategies like FAST. The trainers then teach the FAST strategy to the entire class with the support of their teacher. The trainers now are missing class fewer times and practicing the FAST strategy as well as other strategies with their classmates at least once a week. Students experiencing problems are told to consult with these trainers. This is a good strategy to try to have the classroom work together to solve problems.